In this video, we are going to see how we can set up a two-factor authentication on a Gmail. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. So in order to secure your account, we need to activate a two-factor authentication on our email so that an added layer of security is added to your account. So once you're logged into your account, you head over to the profile icon of yours and click on Manage your Google account. And once that is open, on the left hand side, you will see security and sign in option. Click on that. And you will almost use the same kind of settings for the Android version or iPhone version as well. So once you're in here, security and sign in, you will scroll down until you see how you sign in to Google. Here you see this option of two-step verification. Right now it's turned off. We click on that. And then we have the option to either add passkeys, which we have already did. Passkeys are simple way of logging in. So instead of using your password, you just use your fingerprint to sign in. If you're using it especially on your mobile, any kind of pattern or the security code that you have applied to your laptop. So you enter it there and it will be linked to passkeys. So instead of password, you can use the passkeys now. Similarly, the Google prompt option is also a simple way of logging in. So whenever you want to log into a new device, it will just send the prompt to your earlier device that you were already using the Google account on. You confirm it from there and then you should be able to log in. The third way of logging in is with phone number. You confirm the code from phone number and then you should be able to log in as well. But it was shown as turned off because the Authenticator is a very good step, an added step that you can add to your account. You click on Authenticator app, set up Authenticator, and basically you just need to download the Authenticator app on your mobile and then scan this code, and this will generate the short codes that changes after every single minute. So that is an added very good step to secure your account. So once you did everything, you can click on turn on two-step verification, and now it is turning on. Make sure any of the options must be added here, otherwise it will not be turned on. As you can see, now protected with this two-step verification. Click back. So even we don't have the backup codes, even we don't have the Authenticator app added, but still now it will work with a two-step verification. So not only it will require password, it will send you the prompt to your early device as well. So that is an added layer of security. And like I said, the more security versions are, you can set up a Google Authenticator or something else like that. And if you find any of the option to be less secure, you can just delete it altogether from there. So for example, I don't find the phone number to be very secure. We can remove it from here so that this step will not be added as a two-step. So instead we want to add an Authenticator app. We can do that. Similarly, we can generate some backup codes. Click on get backup codes and you will get the list of codes here. So that is how we do it on either the PC version or the mobile version. The options are pretty much the same. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.